How to change the account in Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can change your account on Windows 11, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change the account on Windows 11, all you have to do is simply open up your start menu and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, let's say you have a specific account added to your Microsoft account or maybe your Windows 11. On the left hand side, you'll find this option where it says account. You want to make sure to simply go to accounts. And as you can currently see, I have my Outlook account added. And if you'd like to add or change to a new one, what you want to do is just scroll down here. Under account settings, you'll find a section where it says emails and accounts. You want to make sure to click on emails and accounts. Now, if I'd like to change it, you cannot directly remove the primary one. What you need to do is you need to click on add a new account option. Once I click on add a new account, I can choose to add my Microsoft account, I can choose to add my Outlook account, or even my Yahoo or Hotmail or any other accounts that I might have. Once I've added, let's say, a specific account over here, I will simply be able to come back to the home screen. In this case, go to emails and accounts again. So if you're on account tab, scroll down, go to emails and accounts, and then here you'll be able to see all the accounts that you've added, and then you can remove those old ones. And this way you can go ahead and then change your account on Windows 11. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.